workspace tells a story. Sometimes that story is chaos, cables, clutter, compromise. But sometimes it's precision and calm. And at the heart of that story stands one quiet protagonist: the table. When the table is made of wood and metal, you can feel the design thinking before you even sit down. The wood, warm, tactile, grounding. The metal, disciplined, clean, intentional. Together, they don't just support your computer, they support focus. A wooden computer table with a metal base isn't just about aesthetics. It is about how form influences mind. The wood connects you to be the organic, to something that breathes. The metal brings a framework, invisible order in the background. It's a duet of emotion and logic. You sit down and your hands rest on the surface. It is smooth but not stereo. There is a texture, a reminder that design can be human, that productivity doesn't have to mean detachment. The metal lays underneath, does something subtle. It disappears. It carries the weight, yet asks for no attention. That's good engineering. Strength that doesn't boast. The combination gives a workspace balance. Wood invites you to linger. Metal reminds you to act. It's like yin and yang in furniture form. The creative, the structure in perfect dialogue. Over time, you start to feel how it affects your rhythm. The grain of the surface calms your eye after hours of staring at screens. The firmness of the base stabilizes your thoughts. Even the contrast between the materials becomes a kind of visual meditation. That's what makes it different from synthetic discs or particle board panels. This one feels alive. It has weight, tone, and quiet dignity. It doesn't chase minimalism, it earns it. If you think about it, a computer table is more than a piece of furniture. It is the bridge between human and machine, between thought and execution. Every line you write, every design you sketch, every late night idea, they all begin here. That is why material matters. Wood reminds you of touch, smell, imperfection. It grounds you in reality. Metal frames it. Make sure that creative chaos has boundaries. And together, they define a new kind of productivity. One that values beauty as much as function. Picture this: morning light sliding across the table, the soft glow picking up the veins in the timber, the faint shadow of the metal frame below. There's something cinematic in that stillness, like your workspace has become a living character. Even the acoustics change. When you place your laptop down, the sound is different, more muted, more intentional. Every small sensory detail tells you this space was made with care. A well-made wooden computer table with a metal base also understands durability. It doesn't fear time, it embraces it. The wood will deepen in tone. The metal might pick up a faint patina, and instead of aging out, it evolves. It is furniture that matures, the way people do when they have lived well. There is also something deeply psychological about working on real materials. Synthetic surfaces make you feel replaceable. Real materials remind you of permanence. They whisper, build something worth lasting. And isn't that what creativity ultimately needs? A place that mirrors the kind of work you want to make. Solid, clear, honest. The design itself might vary. Some sleek and angular, others rustic and raw. But the philosophy behind it stays constant. Harmony between craft and utility. No excess, no decoration for its own sake. Just honest design doing its job beautifully. This table becomes more than a workspace. It becomes a kind of a ritual ground. You sit, you think, you make. The table doesn't distract you, it anchors you. And in those moments when you're staring at the screen, lost in thought, it is the tactile world, the feel of the wood under your palms, the weight of the structure beneath, that quietly pulls you back. In the end, a wooden computer table with a metal base is not about decoration, it is about discipline wrapped in warmth. So until next time, happy decorating.